you're out trying to change your oil, you've got all these oil filter sockets, and this is a copy of the oil filter that's on the car, down to the brand and everything. Nothing quite seems to fit exactly. This one's close, but that's that. Then there's this one. It's pretty close, but if you put some torque on it, then it snaps. So since this one is the closest, I'm going to show you how to take this and make them work together without any expensive extra tools. Take some electrical tape and wrap it around that top portion that the socket's supposed to grab onto. Alright, I wrapped it around twice, and now when you slide this on, the only downside to this technique is that the filter gets stuck in your filter socket, so you have to knock it out. I used a screwdriver here. If you have any other tips for removing these oil filters, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.